In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel transaction on Sendwave. If you've sent money by mistake or need to stop a transfer, timing is everything. The ability to cancel depends on whether the transfer has already been delivered, so move quickly and follow along with me. Start by opening the Sendwave app and heading to your transaction history. This is where you can see every transfer you've made, along with a status indicator. Find the specific transfer you want to cancel and tap into it. Look closely at the status. If it says something like processing or pending, that's your window to act. You can also check the details page for the transfer reference or ID, the amount, and the recipient information. These will help support locate your transfer faster. If the status already shows completed or delivered, cancellation is usually no longer possible through the app, but still continue to the next steps for confirmation from support. If the transfer is still processing or not yet delivered to the recipient, contact Sendwave support as soon as possible. The fastest way is typically through the in-app help or support option, where you can start a chat or submit a request. You can also use their official support channels linked in the app or on their website. Have your transfer reference, the amount, and the date ready. The more precise you are, the quicker they can help. Acting promptly increases the chances they can intercept the transfer before it's released to the recipient. When you reach support, clearly state that you want the transfer canceled. Keep your message short and direct. For example, I'd like to cancel a transfer that is still processing. The reference is your transfer reference. Include any relevant details they request, such as the last 4 digits of the card you used or the exact amount, but avoid sharing full card numbers or other sensitive information in chat. Being clear and polite helps the agent move straight to the right action without back and forth. Finally, wait for their confirmation. Support will check the status and let you know whether the transfer can be canceled. If it's successfully stopped, they'll confirm the cancellation and the refund process. Refund timing can vary depending on your bank or card issuer, so keep an eye on your app notifications and your bank statement. If they report the transfer has already been delivered, they'll explain your options from there. That's it. Open your transaction history, act fast if it's still processing, clearly request a cancellation, and then wait for confirmation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve your transfer quickly.